Hey, it's Jacob here over at Cosmo Motors with a beautiful 2015 Audi S5. Now this thing is triple black, black on black on. It's got beautiful black rohanah wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Go ahead and get you a nice video walk around. It's got beautiful sounding AWE exhaust, the carbon rear diffuser, backup sensors, backup camera. And with this black, look at those eyes poking out. I love that. That's beautiful. Audi's always done such a great job. Beautiful carbon fiber front lip. This is APR tuned. It's a supercharged car as well. Carbon fiber in here with the Alcantara. Little spot there. The Recaro seats with the Alcantara inside as well. Suede. That's just beeping, letting me know that the car or the keys are inside it. Memory seats, your different modes, and look at this, manual transmission. This is really hard to find. There's your backup camera, heated seats, push to start, your navigation screen. Pop the hood for us here. You too. Beautifully clean underneath.